Welcome to our channel. In the last session, we discussed how do we eliminate left recursion with some examples. Now, in this session, directly we are moving to the examples of eliminating left recursion. Before that, I will revise the simple formula. If a production of the form A tends to A alpha beta, if this is the grammar, that is the left side of the production is matches with the right side production leftmost symbol, then such type of grammars are left recursive grammar. We need to eliminate, that means by eliminating the left recursive are converted into right recursive. Now A tends to observe all the productions that does not starts with A and followed by A dash. Now simply this A dash is convert into right recursive alpha A dash slash epsilon. We discuss different possible cases with the examples. Now in this session we are directly moving to the examples of left recursion elimination. First, consider this grammar. A tends to A, C. Now A tends to observe the production that does not starts with capital A. This is one production, this is another production. So B A dash, C A dash. Now this A dash tends to, this is the production that starts with A. Simply do right recursive, that is A dash slash epsilon. Clear? So everyone okay. Now coming to this B tends to B, AB. If you understand carefully, capital A, the first symbol is a non-terminal. Suppose what are the productions of capital A? These are the productions. By substituting this one, again this also becomes recursive. Now I will show you for understanding. Substitute A productions. Substitute A productions. How it forms? B tends to BB slash. Now this capital A is replaced with this one. B A dash B, or this capital A is replaced with this one, C A dash B, and then the remaining D. Now you understand carefully. So generally we assume that here it is capital B, here it is capital A, there is no left recursion. But remember, indirect left recursion is also possible. We need to substitute their non-terminals. Okay, here I am substituting A. Obviously one more left recursive happened. Now what is the procedure? Again it's the same procedure. How do we convert? B tends to, these two are the productions that does not starts with B. C A dash B dash slash D B dash. Now this B dash tends to left recursive, B dash slash left recursive, sorry, right recursive, A dash B dash slash epsilon. Now my entire grammar is left recursive eliminated. Now finally what is the grammar? These two productions followed by these two productions. These four productions forms the left recursion is eliminated. Exactly in the similar fashion, for understanding I will explain one more example with the same concept of indirect recursion. Now understand, X tends to, this is the only production. Write down the remaining two. S A some X dash, B some X dash. Now this X dash tends to this one, S B X dash slash epsilon. Okay, my first production is eliminated successfully. Now move to the second production. In this capital X is there. So here what I am doing? I am substituting X. If you are substituting S tends to SB. This X is replaced with this one. What happened? S A X dash, already small a is there. Or this X is replaced with this one. I think you know the procedure. If a non-terminal is there, if you want to remove that non-terminal means you need to replace with all possible productions. So B X dash A slash A. Now this is my production. Again the same procedure in this production. S tends to B X dash A S dash A S dash. Now S dash tends to B S dash, this one A X dash A S dash slash epsilon. Both are same examples, just symbols are changed. Here B A, just symbols are changed. The procedure is same. Now what is my final output? These two followed by these two. If you understand carefully, generally what you are doing, suppose this one, this is the only left recursive. What I am doing, B tells to A B B dash D B dash, B dash tells to B B dash epsilon. That is the wrong answer. There is a chance of indirect recursion also possible. You need to observe carefully by substituting a non-terminal with the productions. These are the different examples of elimination of left recursion. Thank you.